Hello friends, Tinker Laurie here from CraftBox STEAM Shop with an at-home activity for us today, decorative folding. Decorative folding is like origami, paper folding from Japan, but a little quicker and more straightforward. It has its origins from the palaces of Louis XIV in France, where towels, washcloths, napkins were set up in fun little flowers or animals or different designs. Today, we're going to go ahead and grab some towels, napkins, washcloths, whatever you have around, and we'll make a garden. The first design that we'll try is the rose. You can see I started with a napkin which is square, smoothed it out, and then placed the two tips together to make a triangle. Rotate a little so it's easier to roll up, and then tightly roll the bottom until there's a bit of a triangle left over. Flip it over, and then roll the skinny pointed end all the way to the other side. This design you can keep rolled as tightly as you like. You'll find there's a little bit of a tail left. I lift it up and tuck it into one of the rolls that I made. And then the two triangular pieces that remain get separated along the outside of the little ball that we made. Flip it over and you have your rose. The lily is another design that's fun to do. Again, starting with a square napkin, I bring the 2 points up to make a triangle. Rotate it and then take 2 points up to that point so that now we have a square. A zigzag of up with a little bit of an edge and then down again makes the bottom part of the flower. And then we roll, not as tight as the rose, just enough to keep the two ends secure. Adjust it a bit. Turn it over and spread out, and then flip the two sides down to make some petals. You now have your lily. These designs can be adjusted to be done with a towel or washcloth. If you start with a rectangle, just turn it into a square first. You can see here I'm showing the example of making the rose with a towel. Once you've mastered your rose and your lily, you can experiment using that same technique with maybe some pretty origami paper or other fabric that you have around the house. Online, there are different designs like the turtle and the swan, which are fun and easy to do. Well, keep those towels handy because you'll need them for our next video to clean up. Until then, have fun growing your garden, be safe and well.